Autophagy literally means self-eating. It's your body's way of tidying up on a microscopic level. It identifies and recycles old components. It identifies and recycles damaged components. It identifies and recycles dysfunctional components within your cells. This keeps cellular health intact. It reduces cellular debris that contributes to aging. It helps your internal systems run smoothly and efficiently. Beyond cellular cleanup, intermittent fasting profoundly impacts metabolic health. Metabolic health is a cornerstone of a long, healthy life. When you fast, your body's sensitivity to insulin improves. Poor insulin sensitivity, insulin resistance, drives many chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes and heart disease. By improving cellular insulin response, fasting stabilizes blood sugar. It also makes your body more metabolically flexible and allowing it to switch from using glucose for energy to burning stored fat. The benefits for your heart are compelling and well researched. Intermittent fasting improves key cardiovascular markers. Studies show it can lower blood pressure, it can reduce bad LDL cholesterol, it can decrease triglycerides. Fasting also helps combat chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for heart disease. By addressing these risks, fasting offers a proactive strategy to protect your heart. It's a cascade of effects that support your cardiovascular system. Throughout this guide, we'll explore these topics clearly and accessibly. We'll break down the science of autophagy so you understand cellular repair. We'll review evidence linking fasting to a healthier heart. We'll explore how fasting leads to a more balanced metabolism. You'll learn different fasting methods, the 16-8 method, the 5-2 diet. We'll also discuss who should approach fasting with caution.